Okay, now let's see this question. This question came in GATE 2014 and it came for 2 marks. The question is, suppose you want to move from 0 to 100 on a number line. Okay, so on a number line, the numbers are something like 0, 1, 2, something like that. Okay, all the way till let's say 99, 100. Okay, so all the 100 numbers are there on a number line and we want to move from 0 to 100. Now they are saying that in each step you either move right by a unit distance. So if you are at 1, you want to go to 100, then in each step either you are directly going towards the right, either you take move right by a unit distance, or you take a shortcut. And what is the shortcut they have defined as? A shortcut is simply a pre-specified pair of integers I comma j with I less than j. Given a shortcut ij, you are at a position I on a number line and you may directly move to j. Okay, so let's say there is a shortcut from 1 to 3. From 1 to 3 or 1 to 4, there is a shortcut. Okay, so let's say this is 3, this is 4, and let's say there is a shortcut 1 to 3 or let's say 1 to 4. So if there is shortcut from 1 to 4, then what you can do? From 1 you can go to 2 also, that is one option, or you can go from 1 to 4 directly. You can jump directly to 4 if this shortcut is available. Okay, that is the case. Now they are saying that suppose Tk denotes the smallest number of steps needed to move from k to 100. Okay, then suppose further there is at most one shortcut involving any number, and in particular from 9 there is a shortcut to 15. Okay, so somewhere there is 9, okay, and somewhere there is a 15. Okay, so they are saying that there is at most one shortcut involving any number. So at any number there is at most one shortcut. It cannot be that 1 to 4 also shortcut is there and 1 to 3 shortcut is there. They are saying that there can be at most one shortcut involving any number. So that is the case, and in particular there is a shortcut from 9 to 15. So about any other shortcut they have not specified, but they have particularly specified that from 9 to 15 there is definitely a shortcut. Okay, now after that let y and z be such that t9 is equal to 1 plus minimum of ty and tz. And what is t something? See, they have defined that tk denotes the smallest number of steps needed to move from k to 100. So in that sense, what is t9? T9 is the smallest number of steps needed to move from 9 to 100. So we have to find the value of the smallest number of steps needed from in order to move from 9 to 100, and that is given in terms of 1 plus minimum number of ty and tz, which are respectively what? Again, minimum number of steps needed to move from y to 100 and z to 100 respectively. Then what is the value of the product yz? So that is essentially they are asking. Now you can understand that, okay, from 9 to 100 I have to move. Okay, then what are the things which I can do? See, after 9 there is 10. Okay, and we know that from 9 we have to go to 100. Then one thing we can do is that, okay, I can do 1 plus t10. It means that I will take one step from 9 to 10. I will do this one, and after that whatever is the value of t10, and t10 is, so it is a recurrence relation in that sort, that t10 is, I don't know the value, but the thing is that whatever is the minimum number of steps which I can take from 10 to reach 100, that is one way. What is another way? Another way is that, okay, I will take the shortcut. So from 9 I will directly jump to 15, and what is how many steps that will take? That will take only one step because that is a shortcut. So I can do 1 plus t of 15. So once I have reached 15, then after that what is the minimum number of steps needed to take to take me from 15 to 100, and my answer for going 9 to 100 in the minimum number of possible steps, that will be minimum of these two, right? So essentially what I am saying is that I can write T9 as minimum of these two values, 1 plus T10 and 1 plus T15. Whatever is the minimum, that is my answer, T9. Now I can write this, see 1 is common in both cases, so I can write it as 1 plus whatever is the minimum among T10 and T15. And now you can see that the format of T9 is in this format only written here. So 1 plus minimum of Ty and Tz. So y and z are 10 and 15. So y can be 10 or 15, anything, but the other value will be then the other value left. So that's why they have not asked which one is what. They are simply asking the product of yz. It means that whatever these two values are there, yz will be simply the multiplication of these two. So they are essentially just wanting to know that whether you have come out with these values 10 or 15 or not. If that, then if you have done, then simply yz will be the product of these two values, and then the answer is going to be simply 150, 15 into 10. So the product yz is 150, and that's why our answer is 150, 150.